Hi, Seamus.
How you doing, Dan?
Seamus is my helper today, and we're gonna fix a few things. Seamus is not too bright because he's pointing the camera at himself there. First time you used it. I'll forgive you this time. Anyway, a big excavator ran into an overpass. He bent the pin on his connecting links and smashed the bucket, all the shit. Here's one of the connecting links. Kind of made a mess of it. So rather than waste all my acetylene with a rosebud, $100 per box of acetylene or more, we're going to do it old school with a torch. And fix it that way, the way they did it in the old days. So instead of, and we're going to properly heat treat this pin as well. So first I'm just going to get this pin in there. It's going to take a little while. Film this here, Seamus. Okay, ease up on that, sir. Open this up a little. Make a little trough for it. The hot spot. And we're going to plunk it in there. We're going to just push this up along the sides like this. And he's going to keep on cranking, maybe slightly faster. I need to find a piece of steel plate that I can just set right over the top of that. 316. That'll work good. What that does is allows the heat to build up on the top of the pin. Once we get that pin straightened, we'll be really gentle about